Hello everyone, I'm Camilla, CEO of Attention Insight, and we're improving visual engagement with AI. An average person in Germany consumes more than 10 hours of media a day. The same guy is exposed to more than 10,000 different marketing messages. Yet according to Microsoft, our attention span shrank dramatically, and now is actually 1 second shorter than a goldfish. Yet as marketers, we don't have proper tools and KPIs that goes beyond click-through rates to measure our customers' attention. Eye tracking solves this issue. It's a technology that enables computer to know exactly where you look when you interacted with design. And as the head of PMG said, eye tracking can improve return on investment on average marketing campaign by 25%. So why is it still not mainstream? Well, we marketers don't have time for eye tracking. Every single campaign and website needed to be launched yesterday. Therefore, I'm delighted to introduce you Attention Insight. It's an AI platform for consumer visual engagement monitoring. The technology behind it is deep learning algorithm that automates eye tracking studies. From user perspective, it's easy to use online platform. You log in, upload the design, and after a few minutes, you get a heat map, and you instantly know how your users reacted to your website. Currently, we're rolling out our first product, which is website design testing tool aimed for digital communication agencies. You can implement A/B tests very fast and with zero budget, and of course, you can convince your client and prove your point with data. Since we are based on algorithm, of course, we're talking about accuracy. So at the moment, our system is 84% accurate in comparison with eye tracking studies. We are currently going for a digital agencies market, which is 28 billion market. Every single marketer spends at least 10 to 15% of his or her budget on research. And there's where we come in. We're easy to use software as a service with different plans ranging from small agencies all the way to corporates. We are currently in closed beta. We're working in Hamburg, Germany. We are already in talks with biggest media players in Germany and in Finland. Some of them already invested in us. We have a team of 4 with big talent in deep tech and AI development. Java and Mindaugas worked in Switzerland, UK, US clients. Me and Darius were marketers in the team. We worked in creative and digital communication agencies. I've worked in the startup world for almost 4 years, which seems like a decade from now. Currently, we are already finalizing our pre-seed round. We're looking for customers. So if you want to grab and keep your customers' attention, approach me. I'm Camilla, CEO of Attention Insight, and thank you for your attention.
Yay, thank you, Attention Insight.